In this video, I'm going to be explaining about continue statement. As you can see in this program, we have a loop that will loop from 1 until 6. Okay, when you run the program, this is the output that you're going to get. When I is equal to 1, current number is 1. Okay, current number is 1. And then since I is still 1 multiply, so this is the just a text output, multiply by 2. So this is the text output, and this is the calculation. Okay, 1 multiply by 2, so you get the result of the calculation, which is 2. Then it loops back to and increase the value of 1 at the value of I to become 2. So as you can see here, current number is 2, current number is 2, and I is 2 here. 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2, this is what you get. And this is the result of the calculation, 2. Since I is 2, 2 multiplied by 2, the result of the calculation is 4. Okay, and continue with the rest of this. Okay, and it will loops from 1 until 6. Now, how to use the continue statement? Okay, example. Let's say if I want to, if I equals to, let's say 3, I put a continue statement. Okay, so what will happen? In this original output, you have 1. The output is 1 until 6. Okay, but when you run this code with the continue statement, what will happen is that, as you can see here, when I is equals to 1, which is fine. Okay, I equals to 1, it's going to display the result of the calculation. When I is equals to 2, it will display the result of the calculation here. But when I is equals to 3, okay, so when I is equal to 3, it will skip. So since this statement is true, I is now equal to 3, is going to say continue. What happened is that the rest of this code until the end of that loop will be skipped over. But it is different compared to break statement. Okay, break statement will exit the loop, but for continue, it simply skips this particular code and then continue with the rest of the loop. Okay, so that's why you have this continuation of the rest of the output, which is 4, 5, and 6 here. 4, 5, and 6 that you have here. Okay, now let's change this one to break statement. What happened? Break statement, if you run the code, you will see that it is going to skip over, not skip over and exit. Okay, so once I is equal to 3, it will no longer do this thing because of the break statement. Okay, once it breaks, it will skip over and continue with the rest of and exit the loop and continue with the rest of the code after the loop. So that is the difference between continue and break statement.